Hello guys, this is Nick from TSPROF. In this video I'm going to be telling you about the sharpening kits of K03, Kadet and Blitz, which are available at this point at our warehouse in the United States. Let's get into it. So let's start with our smallest Blitz sharpeners. Here we have a few options: Blitz 360 Base, Blitz Complete, Blitz 360 Standard and Blitz Pro. Blitz 360 Base is a standalone sharpener without any additional items like stones, case or wrenches, but this has a digital protractor stand which Blitz Complete doesn't have. This is a good solution in case if you want to get a more customized kit. The complete kit comes with a set of diamond plates containing 5 bars from extra coarse to extra fine, leather on the aluminum blank, deluxe polishing paste, spare part package, wipes, marker, and a screwdriver. This is a well-stuffed kit which has everything to start sharpening without any additional expenses and get mirror polishing results. The next one is Blitz 360 Standard. It has a digital protractor stand, but there are just 3 diamond plates, a spare part package, wipes and marker. This can be enough, but at the same time it gives more variations if you want to add something to this kit. And last but not least, Blitz Pro. This is the latest versions of the series. It has a more braided frame, it is longer than previous ones with 1.5 cm. The clamps are lighter because they are made of aluminum, not of steel like previous versions have. It is completely anodized. It comes with 5 diamond bars and 3 keys for clamps. The next one is Kadet. Here we have 2 options: Kadet Nero with a set of diamond plates and Kadet Pro, which also comes with the same stones. The main difference between them is that Kadet Pro has an upgraded lifting mechanism, which is smoother and more convenient in work. So basically with Kadet Pro you can sharpen more knives for a certain period of time. For more information about Kadet Pro you can watch a review we have made before. It's linked in the corner of this video. As for K03, we have 4 kits available. This is K03 Expert, K03 Standard 2021, K03 Hunter, and K03 Pro Hunter. So K03 Expert is a standalone K03 tool with a G-clamp. It has an increased angle rod and its total angle range is 70 degrees. K03 Standard 2021 comes with a stand, a set of diamond plates, and a screwdriver. And moreover, this kit is discounted at 22%. However, it doesn't have an increased angle rod, so its total angle range is 46 degrees. K03 Hunter has more items like a stand, a set of diamond stones, a set of wrenches, a G-clamp, and it comes with a lifting unit with an increased angle rod. And finally, K03 Pro Hunter. This is the latest modification of the sharpeners of K03 series. Here comes an integrated angle finder Cube, which allows you to see the right angle at any point of the knife right before you rise when sharpening. For more details, there is an overview of the Cube eye and it's linked in the upper corner of this video. Otherwise, K03 Pro Hunter has the same items as well as K03 Hunter. K03 Pro Hunter is equipped with the latest version of the lifting unit. Its material has been changed, and now it is made of polyacetal, which is a heavy-duty polymer, has excellent anti-friction properties, which makes move of the lifting unit softer, and it also has the same increased angle rod. Here is also a video about it. Except the kits, we also have some other accessories like convex edge attachment, universal one with 4.3, 7.2, 10.7 degrees for K03, and attachment with a range of 7.2 degrees for K03 as well, and convex mini attachment for Blitz sharpeners. Scissor clamp for Kadet and K03, whole mill fillet clamps, angle finder platform spacer for Blitz, some bright stones, double-sided diamond bar, branded t-shirt, board for finishing, whole new clamps for Kadet. Basically, this is all what we have at our warehouse at this moment. So go to our website, choose any available option from this list, and get your order within 2-4 days depending on your location. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful to you, don't forget to put your like below. And of course, subscribe to us if you aren't yet. There's gonna be a lot of exciting things about sharpening. Take care and stay sharp.